Hello, my name is Michael Fisher. And if you're watching this video, chances are you're concerned about paying your mortgage and how you're going to be able to stay in your home. This economy has been so tough on so many people. Over the past 4 years, I've completed almost 400 successful modifications, and I've now developed what I believe is the most successful loan modification system available today. Now, many people will tell you that you need an attorney to obtain a modification, that you need someone with special knowledge and know-how to be able to get your lender to agree to a modification. That is just flatly not true. You do not need to hire an attorney to get a modification. You do not need to be an attorney. What you need is to know exactly what it is the bank wants to see from you, in exactly what form, with exactly the right ratios and formulas submitted in your package. The key to an approval by the banks is the documentation package that you assemble and submit to your lender. It must be correct, it must be right, it must be perfect. If it is not, then you will be denied. Look, I am not going to sit here and tell you that if you purchase my system, you will be approved for a modification. There is no way anyone can say that without knowing your situation. What I am telling you is this: I have followed this exact step-by-step system almost 400 times for some 400 successful modifications. If you really want a modification, you have to try, and you have to get some help. And this system is the very best help that you can get at a price that is affordable to everyone. Now, I cannot guarantee if you use my system, you will get a modification. I will say that by using my system and following the system, it is what I believe is your very best chance to achieve a modification. All I can guarantee you is the information and knowledge to give you the very best chance, at a fraction of what others want to charge. It is not hard to be approved, but you have to do it correctly. My system will show you how to do exactly that in an easy-to-follow method. If you think you cannot qualify for a modification, you can. You may think you cannot show a hardship to qualify for a modification, but my system explains how to show that a hardship already exists. If you are one of the millions of borrowers who needs a modification, you have to try. Or if you're someone who's already tried and you've been denied a modification, you need to try again. You cannot afford to not at least try. If you just do nothing, you will never be approved. It's not hard to achieve a modification if you know the key points the bank wants and how they judge the documents that you submit. Now, there are no negotiations in a modification. You probably will never even speak to a bank negotiator. Your package speaks for you, and if you get it exactly right, with exactly what the bank wants, the way the bank wants it, then you will receive a modification. Everything I have learned over the past 4 years and some 400 successful modifications, and everything I know as to how to get them approved is in this system.